This is Megan, Crafty Meggy. I am back today and I am packing for a crop. This is not going to be fancy or anything, and my house is a total mess. As you can see behind me, just got shit everywhere, stuff everywhere. Sorry, this is YouTube. I'm recording this so that you guys can kind of see my quickly put together setup. So I had to work this morning. I got off at noon, and then I had to do some budgeting stuff to make sure we had enough money this weekend while I was gone. And I'm only going to the next town over. It's only 30 minutes away, not too far. So actually my partner is getting off soon. I think it's around 2:30, and then I'm gonna help her pack up, get the kids in the car, because they are going, some of the kids, Ashley's kids, are going to their dad's house this weekend, and she has to drive 2.5 hours to meet him, which is sad that I'm not going with her, but it's okay because I'm going scrapbooking. So this is a scrapbooking treat in a small town where I come from, and I was actually talking to the lady about if I could bring like my camera setup and stuff and record or film while I'm there, and she was like, oh, what do you film? What do you record for? And I was like, oh my gosh, she's never heard of YouTube? I was like, so this is like a real life scrapbooker that just does it. I don't know. Like, I mean, I guess I'm a real life scrapbooker too. I don't know, but you know what I mean? Like someone from the wild that doesn't post their stuff online. I was just like, that is so foreign to me. But anyway, here, oh, and the phone is ringing, of course, while I'm doing this. Give me just a second. Okay, so real quick before everybody comes home, I haven't decided if I'm actually gonna bring this, but this just has like mixed media stuff in there, like some sketch pads and stuff in there. So I might bring that in, I might not. This bag right here is what I am going to store I do have the Chamel collection that came out last year, the main character energy kit. I have that in there. And then this is where I'm gonna store my completed layouts as I complete them. And then in here I have all of I only picked out like 15 maybe thickers. Then I have a little container to put some stuff in. This is like one of my filming devices, monopods, my trimmer. I have my selfie in here under this pink container. And then I have my light, an extension cord, these are sequins in there. I have my ATG gun and my close to my heart stamp stuff down there. I have photos right here. Underneath the photos I have ink pads, and that's it for that bag. These photos are gonna stay here. I just haven't put them away. All of this stuff right here is gonna stay here. I'm bringing this to put like my my sequins, like all of my embellishments and stuff. I'm gonna put this in, and so I think I'm just going to like stick that on top of there. And then I have this one that I got, I believe this is from my ex actually. I think he just got it on Amazon. I don't think it's anything exciting. It's just from a brand called Essentials. But in here I have all of my papers that I'm going to be using. I have my markers, fussy cutting scissors, some gesso, and just a couple of paintbrushes in that pocket. In this pocket I have some embellishments in here. Then I have my Chamel scissors, my block for stamping, and I think that was it. I think my stamps, my date stamps are down here too. Then, if I can get it closed with one hand, I have my phone charger in this pocket, in there somewhere, because it's definitely gonna die. Then in here, I have a few embellishments. I also have, this is for my light, so I stuck that in there. A couple different embellishment packs in here, in this pocket. Then I have in this pocket some more wood veneer, sequins, and color cast acrylics, and more sequins. Then in here, I have 2 projects. So this project right here on the left is my December daily from 2022. And this one on the right is my album for my trip to see Hannah in, I believe it was 2020. Her and I went on like a girls trip away for the weekend. And then I have like some extra like little 6x8 organizers there that I thought maybe I could add to my album, like my Christmas album if I want to. Then I just have a bunch of like Christmas, fall, winter, adventure collections. Just, I did decide to bring some cut files and just like random stuff because I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do. I have my scrapbooking store kit because I do know I want to do at least 3 layouts of that, so then I can have some stuff to work on when I get back. And then I also have this travel collection because I do have the photos printed from when Ashley and I went to Cancun. So that is my crop setup as you can see it right now. I have this monopod, and then I also have this like clamp type system because I am just going to use my phone. So I need to actually put this in here somewhere, see how I can fit that in there. But that is everything. I think I'll take a picture of everything on the couch after I get all of the other stuff put away. But I just wanted to make sure I did a video before I left for the crop so that I could post that on YouTube. But I'm so excited. I hope you guys have a great scrappy day. Bye. Hello friends. It is 4:11 and I am finally on my way to the crop. I thought I would kind of do this vlog style. So if you watched, I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it, if I'm going to actually do video while I'm there or if I'm just gonna kind of do like face-to-face vlogs every once in a while. But all of my stuff is in the back and I'm just at the gas station because I had to run a couple errands, and this gas station has a USPS drop off, and I had to drop off a Sharps container that is like, it's like 3 or 4 years old. I just keep forgetting to bring it and my seatbelt doesn't want to go in. But anyway, I'm super excited. I'm headed out to the place where this is going to be at. It'll probably take me about 15 to 20 minutes to get there. I am in town now, but I'm on the other side of town, if that makes sense. So just depending on traffic, because Friday traffic starts around 4 o'clock here where I live. So and by traffic, it's really not that bad. It's just bad for here. So anyway, I'm super excited. I cannot wait. And I know which project I'm going to do when I get started. So wish me luck. I hope you guys have a great scrappy day. Okay, scrappy friends. So I thought I would do a little time lapse of me setting up my desk. So this is everything that I'm pulling out of my bags and just the places that I am setting them on my little 8-foot table. And actually I shouldn't say little because it definitely was not little. Like, this was the biggest table that I've ever used at a scrapbooking retreat, and it was really awesome to have such a big table. Now here you can see that I have everything set up on my table and I am ready to get going. I am just kind of showing you a couple of the things that I have brought and that I have tucked away into pockets, and I think actually I show you the scrapbooking containers that I have on the floor that I put everything in. And then here I'm showing you my setup for recording, which actually worked out really well. I wasn't sure how well it was going to work out but it definitely worked out amazing. And I'm so excited to share those videos with you. So I did keep my photos down here in one of my bags to transport everything. And then all my extra papers and collections that I brought, I left in there, and a couple of projects as well that I brought just in case I wanted to use them. I did buy that craft mat at Hobby Lobby right before going to this, and that is my whole table setup. Thanks for watching.
How about a picture near a famous sightseeing thing? Bernie's winning.
Hello friends, I am back today. I am running quite late. So the Scrapbooking Retreat opened up this morning at 8 a.m. It is 11 and I am on the other side of town. I had a couple errands I needed to run this morning, and I didn't wake up as early as I had planned or left as early as I had planned. I was just tired, so it's fine. Last night when I left, I didn't do a video. I should have done a video, but it was about 10:30 last night when I left the retreat area. So I didn't get home until about 11:15, and then I didn't get into bed until like 10:30 or 11:30 midnight, you know, like, so I was pretty tired this morning, and I did set an alarm for 8:30 so that I would wake up and then, you know, be ready to leave by about 9:30, and I didn't leave until 10:30. So yeah, I was a little bit bummed about that, but that's okay. I ran my errand. I had some, I'm at Staples, I don't know if you can see, but I had some Amazon returns that I needed to make, and then now I am ready to head on over to the retreat area. So that's about 20 minutes away on the other side of town, so I'm gonna get going, but I just wanted to get on and say day 2. I'm excited. I brought my computer. I'm gonna see if I can try to finish my Christmas album, if I can find my photos from Christmas 2022. So that's my goal today. Anyway, I hope you guys are loving this video. Bye.
And when she comes to the crops, for her it's easier to bring all these kids. And that's what I thought so far.
Yeah.
It's just, I don't have to haul so much stuff. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Yeah, there are some people.
Where'd the cat come from?
I don't know. Hanging out after I have friends that like she used to run crops, and she's too busy right now to do that, so she hasn't been doing them.
Okay.
And then I have another friend too. She makes some,
But it also has to be your style too, and some are more than others.
Yeah, some of the ones she's done are very elaborate.
Are they?
come back in.